Arapahoe Community College now offers a healthcare data analytics certificate, and it was created by industry professionals. Do you currently have an allied health associate degree from a regionally accredited institution? Or do you have at least 2 years of equivalent healthcare work experience? Do you have a knack for mathematics or statistics? If so, this may be the program for you. Healthcare is a constantly evolving industry that requires innovative thinkers and leaders. As healthcare evolves from physician-centered to patient-centered care, data becomes the ever more important success factor for many organizations. By pursuing this certificate, you will learn the skills required to acquire, manage, analyze, interpret, and transform the data. You will then use this data to provide accurate, timely information, all while keeping the big picture in sight. You will learn how to utilize Tableau, a program that allows you to create and share data insights across your company in minutes, and apply this program to real-world situations. Tableau quickly connects you to your data and will help you visualize it working seamlessly with spreadsheets and databases. You will also develop a greater understanding for programs such as Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Access. You may ask, why is this certificate valuable? Well, today's organizations are looking for more and better ways to wrangle the voluminous amounts of data available to them and pull out only the information they need. Completion of this certificate prepares you to sit for the Certified Data Analyst exam. Here are some examples of how our industry partners find this certificate to be valuable.
So as an HIE, our role historically has been moving data for clinicians across the state and making sure the right data is in the right place at the right time. But as we're expanding now, our role, we're getting into still moving data, getting data to people who can do analytics with the data themselves, and also a little bit of our own internal analytics. I wouldn't say we're an analytics shop, but we're doing a lot of things related to gaps in care, helping people really understand for care coordination what has recently happened to their patient, where have they been, and that takes a bit of analytics, not just throwing data over the fence, a bit of analytics to find out what happened, what did not happen, what the time frame is between activities, that type of stuff.
So data analytics is really the next big thing that's going to be coming. We have all gone through the phase now of implementing electronic health records, electronic medical records. Now it's time to do something with all that data. So we have gathered just enormous amounts of data, and now the power is really shifting to who can make meaning out of that data, who can provide information from those massive amounts of data that we're gathering and keeping these days.
It's important to be trained to understand what to find, what not to find, what to see in the data, but then being able to use tools beyond Excel, being able to use powerful tools and understand how to piece that all together. We bring in, it's something like 317,000 messages a day. We have over 4 million patients in the HIE, so you can imagine the volume of data. And there's just no way to be able to cull through that and get to any level of information without those types of tools.
Certificates measure your knowledge and skills against industry and vendor-specific benchmarks to prove to employers that you have the right skill set. By making the decision to obtain the Healthcare Data Analytics Certificate, you will reach new heights for initial employment, career advancement, and increase your job possibilities. Become a part of ACC and let's move mountains together.
Thank you.